Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to start a new playlist for Jenkins. Okay, so in this course we will start from the basics of Jenkins to the advanced level of Jenkins. We will cover all the interview questions. We will have a practice sessions in which I will tell you all the basics of Jenkins, how to work with Jenkins, what all are the key things which you need to know to work in Jenkins. So let's get started, guys. Let's move on to the overview of the course. What are the things we are going to learn in this course? First, what is Jenkins? Then Jenkins CI/CD architecture, the key Jenkins CI/CD architecture which you should know to work in Jenkins. Then the key use cases of Jenkins. Why do we use Jenkins? And what are the advantages of Jenkins? And types of Jenkins jobs and the freestyle and pipeline jobs which you use mainly in Jenkins. Then freestyle versus pipeline jobs is really important. Then how to install jobs. Then the interview questions, basics and scenario based questions. Both we are going to cover in this course. And then practicals of each and every concept which I'm explaining. Okay guys, so let's get started. Okay, let's meet up in the next video. We'll start our course with what is Jenkins. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.